Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Jital Jain.
And how old is your child?
He's 5. He turned 5 today.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, where do you stay?
Stay in Andheri West.
Okay. So, what kind of institutes were you looking out for him?
Actually, initially, Shlok was looked after by his grandmother only. So I was not very keen in putting him in daycare. But of late, since my mother could not take care of him, I wanted to look out for a daycare where he'll be, quite comfortable. He has his friends and all. So that's why I just came over.
Okay. So, what are the options that you considered?
Actually, for me, frankly, I had a very short list. It was just one or two institutes near my house, near the place where I was staying, and this was one of them because Shweta, she recommended Kokatu to me. Aryan and Shlok are very good friends.
Okay.
They are going in the same school, they've been batchmates and all. So I was very comfortable with Kokatu, seeing Aryan grow up over here. So I knew that this will definitely work for me, but I wanted a place very close to my house. So I was looking out for other venues, but then finally this was the best thing I could give my child.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, why did you choose Cockatoo Kids?
One thing was because Shlok had friends from his school over here. He had 2 more other colleagues from his school coming over here. And secondly, I had seen the teachers, the quality of teachers over here, since I used to, both myself and Shweta, we commute together on a daily basis. So every day I used to come to drop Aryan, to pick up Aryan. So initially I had seen the type of teachers, the maids they have, and how well Aryan was developing as a kid over here.
Okay.
His English conversation, his manners, his etiquette, the discipline which was there in him. So I was very much keen in putting Shlok in such a
Okay.
place.
So, how's your experience been so far? Could you highlight 2 good things about Cockatoo
Yeah,
Kids?
the best thing is Shlok has become independent and he is conversing very well in English now.
Okay.
Thanks to the teacher over here. These were really 2 good things, and he's become really independent now. He eats everything. He doesn't fuss about eating and all. Earlier it was a task to make him eat all vegetables and everything, but now thanks to the teachers over here, he's eating everything and he's toned down a lot. He's become more disciplined, very polite.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So, do you have some suggestions or feedback for Cockatoo Kids?
Not as such. I'm quite happy with what they're doing with Shlok. So as such, there are no suggestions for them.
Okay. So, on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend Cockatoo Kids to other parents, where 1 is the lowest and 5 is the highest?
I think I'm very much satisfied with what Kokatu has done to Shlok. But I feel the venue-wise, the earlier venue, what they had, the location-wise, that was much better. But this is still okay. That was much better. So maybe 4. I still recommend because of the teachers over here, the quality of values they put in the kids. Because of that, definitely I'll recommend it to other parents.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.